So, the next time na makikipag-usap ka sa babae na type mo, stop trying to impress. So, start grounding your presence, hold eye contact, magsalita ka ng slow and clear as possible. Keep your energy relaxed. Huwag kang kuyakoy ng kuyakoy. O, parang ako ito ngayon. Kasi, I'm very passionate about this one, man. Kailangan makuha mo to. Okay? Do the opposite of what I'm doing right now. Okay? Kasi kayo yung kausap ko no? Gusto ko na-hype ko rin kayo. Pero when it comes to girls, you need to be calm, Calm and relaxed, confident, smooth lang, man. Let her feel that you've been here before. Kumbaga, sanay ka na makipag-usap kahit kanino, kahit gaano pa siya kaganda. Sanay ka na makipag-usap kung alam niya maganda siya. And the way you approach her, the way you chat her, the way you conversate with her. Word ba yung conversate? Basta yung way na lang na pakikipag-usap mo sa kanya is parang normal lang. Ibig sabihin, that's a sign that you've been, alam mo yun, you've been doing this for so long and for how many times. Because women follow the lead of a man who passed all their tests. Ito yung nagse-separate sa mga lalaking confident versus sa mga nerdy boys na puro script at techniques pero walang foundation.